The story of McDonald's is a remarkable one. It's a story of ambition, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of efficiency. It all began in the 1940s in San Bernardino, California. Two brothers, Richard and Maurice McDonald, opened a small barbecue drive-in restaurant. Little did they know, this humble venture would become the seed for a global fast food empire. The McDonald brothers were tired of the slow, messy nature of traditional restaurants. They wanted to create a system that was faster, cleaner, and more affordable. The brothers streamlined their menu, focusing on a few core items like hamburgers, cheeseburgers, fries, and shakes. They revolutionized food preparation, introducing assembly line techniques to their kitchen. This focus on efficiency and standardization would become the cornerstone of McDonald's success. The McDonald Brothers restaurant, with its distinctive golden arches and bustling atmosphere, quickly gained popularity in San Bernardino. Their innovative approach to fast food did not go unnoticed. It caught the eye of a milkshake machine salesman named Ray Kroc. Kroc saw the potential in the McDonald Brothers system and envisioned a future where golden arches would grace skylines across the nation. Kroc's ambition and entrepreneurial spirit would propel McDonald's to unimaginable heights. The story of McDonald's is a testament to the power of a simple yet revolutionary idea. It's a story of how a small-town drive-in transformed the way the world eats. From its humble beginnings in San Bernardino, McDonald's has become a global icon, serving millions of customers every day. It's a story that continues to unfold, with each new restaurant and every satisfied customer adding to the legacy of the Golden Arches. The McDonald brothers had a winning formula, but it was Ray Kroc who saw its true potential. Kroc, a man with a keen eye for opportunity, recognized the brilliance in the brothers' streamlined system. He envisioned a nationwide chain of McDonald's restaurants, all replicating the success of the original San Bernardino location. In 1954, Kroc convinced the McDonald brothers to franchise their restaurant concept. He became their franchising agent, eager to spread the McDonald's experience across the country. Kroc's vision was ambitious, but he faced an uphill battle. Convincing skeptical investors and ensuring consistency across franchised restaurants were just a few of the challenges he encountered. Undeterred, Kroc poured his energy into building the McDonald's brand. He standardized every aspect of the operation, from food preparation to employee uniforms. This meticulous approach ensured that every McDonald's restaurant offered the same consistent experience. Kroc's relentless drive and unwavering belief in the McDonald's concept paid off. Franchises began popping up across the United States, each one adhering to Kroc's strict standards. The McDonald's brand quickly gained momentum, becoming synonymous with fast, affordable, and familiar dining. The partnership between the McDonald brothers and Ray Kroc was a pivotal moment in the company's history. While the brothers laid the foundation for a successful restaurant concept, it was Kroc's vision and business acumen that transformed McDonald's into a global phenomenon. The story of their collaboration is a testament to the power of shared vision and the importance of recognizing potential where others might not. It's a story of how a simple handshake between a milkshake machine salesman and two ambitious brothers gave birth to one of the most recognizable brands in the world. The heart of McDonald's success lay in its revolutionary approach to fast food. The McDonald brothers, and later Ray Kroc, were obsessed with efficiency. They believed in serving customers quickly and efficiently without compromising on quality or affordability. This obsession led to the development of the Speedee Service System, a groundbreaking approach to food preparation and customer service. The Speedee Service System was all about streamlining operations. It involved breaking down food preparation into a series of simple, repetitive tasks. This assembly line approach allowed McDonald's to produce food quickly and consistently, ensuring that every burger and every order of fries met the same high standards. The system also emphasized cleanliness and order. Kitchens were designed for maximum efficiency, with every tool and appliance having its designated place. This emphasis on cleanliness extended to the dining area, creating a welcoming and family-friendly environment. The impact of the Speedee Service System was profound. It not only sped up service but also significantly reduced costs. This allowed McDonald's to offer its food at incredibly affordable prices, making it accessible to a wider customer base. The Speedee Service System became the gold standard in the fast food industry. It revolutionized the way fast food was prepared and served, setting a new benchmark for efficiency and affordability. McDonald's commitment to this system played a crucial role in its rapid expansion and enduring popularity. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the enduring appeal of a simple yet effective system. With a winning formula in place, McDonald's expansion was nothing short of meteoric. Ray Kroc's vision of a nationwide chain quickly became a reality. From its humble beginnings in California, McDonald's spread across the United States, conquering one state after another. The Golden Arches became a familiar sight along highways and in towns and cities across the country. Kroc's ambition didn't stop at the borders of the United States. He saw McDonald's as a global brand, one that could transcend cultural differences and appeal to a worldwide audience. In 1967, McDonald's opened its first international restaurant in Canada. This marked the beginning of the company's global domination. McDonald's international expansion was strategic and carefully planned. The company adapted its menu and marketing to suit local tastes and customs, ensuring that while the McDonald's experience remained familiar, it also resonated with local cultures. From bustling Asian megacities to European capitals, McDonald's restaurants popped up at an astonishing rate. The Golden Arches became a symbol of globalization, representing the spread of American culture and the increasing interconnectedness of the world. McDonald's global expansion was a testament to the universality of its appeal. Its combination of convenience, affordability, and consistent quality resonated with people from all walks of life. The company's ability to adapt to local tastes while maintaining its core brand identity was crucial to its international success. McDonald's became more than just a restaurant chain, it became a global cultural phenomenon.